Need more comfort when gaming? Finally, you can stay in control of your thumbsticks. Natural evolution gave the gecko its amazingly strong grip. Our multi-patented Setex technology duplicates the microstructured fibers on a gecko's foot for a revolutionary new way to get a grip on game controller thumbsticks. Like a gecko's foot, the thousands of microstructures on each Setex anti-slip thumbstick grip provide high friction to the skin surface for a secure, comfortable grip, even when sweaty, giving you a competitive advantage. Setex thumbstick grips are easy to use. Just pop them over your existing thumbsticks. Stay in control with the secure and comfortable grip of Setex thumbstick grips, inspired by nature, perfected by science. Order yours today at setexgrip.com.